When working on a lightboard, it's important to be mindful of reflections. At the same time, often, you like to have a relatively bright confidence monitor next to the camera, which creates reflections, as you can see here.
Now, a trick to knock that out is to use a CPL filter. This is a polarizing filter, and it takes advantage of the fact that most LCD displays are polarized by their nature. So you can see the screen now, but as we rotate it, it knocks that out. Now we're going to take advantage of this in front of the camera. Here I'll slide the filter in front of the camera, and you can still see the reflection until I rotate it, and you'll see it's gone. Look up the details of your camera, and you'll be able to find out what size filters it takes.
And one last thing is to show you how the CPL filter attaches to the camera. It has fine threads on it and will spin into the camera.
And after it's installed, then we'll rotate it. It still rotates freely to get that alignment and knock out the reflections.
Thanks for watching.